On this Mori NZX machine, we are gonna see how to make a all backup using the maintenance mode. This is a CELOS CNC. Actually, it's a Mitsubishi 700 series CNC running in the background. So we have to edit Windows, and here in Windows we're gonna select settings, and this is the Windows settings, and the layout needs to be changed, and we are gonna replace this area messages with the option that we have inside the settings and machine settings. We're gonna drag and drop that option and close edit window, and here we are gonna select NC settings and display parameter screen. Here we need to go back one menu, and here we have maintain, and in maintain we have all backup. And now if you don't have the option M card, you have to select between hard drive, memory card and DS. So we are gonna select memory card, but that is a USB device actually. So we are gonna save it as a backup. You can do the backup or restore. So let's hit enter from the keyboard, and it's asking me if I'm sure that I want to make a backup. I'm gonna hit enter again, and it's telling me that there are some files on the USB, so I'm gonna override and hit enter again. And now it's executing. As you can see, the USB is in the first port on the top. So let me show you what it's doing now. This is going to save system data, ladder program. The system data has been completed, and the ladder, and we might not have, as you see, we don't have PLC data. That's why it shows and executes. So, and this is the backup list that we have on that device, and it says that it has been done today's date, and the time is this one that we have right here. Okay, thank you.